Welcome to ePlatform. In this video, we'll explore the Decodable Readers collection and show you how it can support early literacy, phonics instruction, and student engagement, both in digital and print. Start by clicking the Decodables tab or tile from your library homepage. This will open the full collection, with 10 clearly structured levels for students at different stages of learning to read. You can filter by level or choose between fiction and non-fiction titles, with unlimited access and simultaneous loans available for your school. Each title follows a carefully designed phonics sequence aligned with the Australian, New Zealand, and UK curricula. The scope and sequence helps you see exactly which letter sound patterns are introduced in each level, so you can match books to complement your classroom program or intervention needs. Decodable readers are available in both fiction and non-fiction collections. The fiction titles build engagement through relatable characters and fun storylines. The non-fiction titles, with modern topics and imagery, make them an attractive option for boys and can also support inquiry learning, knowledge building, and cross-curricular reading. And it's great for leisure reading too. Each book includes a pre-reading page that introduces target sounds and focus words. This helps students prepare for what they're about to read and activates phonemic awareness. At the end of each book, the post-reading page reinforces understanding through comprehension questions and phonics-based review tasks. It's a simple way to check understanding and consolidate learning. Every digital title features a read-along option with voiceover. The text is colorized as it's read aloud, helping students track words in real time. Every fiction reader also includes Soundscapes, with subtle background sounds that bring the text to life and enhance engagement.
So they all got on some sunblock and a hat.
Students can click on individual words to hear them sounded out. This supports decoding, reinforces correct pronunciation, and encourages independent learning.
Have. Some.
Use the Analytics page to track how students are engaging with the series. You can view all books read by level, number of loans, and patron activity over time. And to go deeper, open the Patron Progress Report. This shows you how individual students are progressing through the levels, including their most recently read titles and activity by month. It's a great way to monitor reading habits and support student growth. Each individual title comes with a matching worksheet to support classroom use. These printable pages include word work, spelling, phoneme matching, sentence building, and comprehension tasks, all aligned to the book's content. Every title also includes a digital game that reinforces phonics skills in a fun, interactive way, and you can play again to improve your time. Games help students revise focus sounds, build fluency, and stay engaged with the reading process.
Whoops.
You'll also find printable colouring in pages specific to each story. These are great for early finishers, fine motor development, or reinforcing story content in a relaxed way. All decodable readers are available in both digital and print. These print editions mirror the digital versions exactly, with the same stories, pages, and support materials, making it easy to use them interchangeably in the classroom. These can be purchased via the shop box, top right, and can be bought individually or in sets or bundles. And that's it! Use the Decodable Readers collection to build phonics knowledge, support struggling readers, and create confident, motivated learners, all while keeping reading fun.